Java runs the banks, C++ runs the rockets. One is the king of enterprise, the other is the performance wizard behind every game engine and high frequency trades. It's 2025 and I will help you understand them better so you can decide which language should you bet on. Or better to say, what life do you want? Java launched in 1995 with a killer promise: write once, run anywhere. This revolutionary idea helped Java to dominate backends worldwide. Now, let's jump back to 1979 inside the Bell Labs. Bjarne Straub, a coding genius, faced a challenge. C was fast, but way too basic for complex systems. So he extended C and added some powerful features like classes and inheritance and created a language that could handle everything. The payoff: C++ became the backbone of real-time systems, embedded hardware and high-stake text where every milliseconds matter, like rockets, game engine, and stock trading floors. And here we are, two legends, two legacies: Java for reach, C++ for power. So first thing first, learning curve. Java is like a friendly guide. It's simpler to pick. The syntax is clear and it automatically manages the memory for you. So Java is more beginner friendly. But C++ is a beast. You are closer to the hardware, so you should manage the memory yourself. So that power comes with complexity and responsibility. So with C++, you should expect a steeper climb, but mastering it feels like you unlocked a superpower. Think of Java as the automatic transmission of programming languages. It's smooth and easy to handle. C++, on the other hand, is like driving a stick shift sports car. You have more control, but stall once and you are in for a bumpy ride. In the end, whether you prefer Java simplicity or C++ control, both paths have their own challenges and rewards. So choose your adventure wisely. Java is a juggernaut. In 2025, it dominates enterprise. Think banks, tech giants like Google or Amazon, they are all running on Java. So globally, over 3 million jobs for Java is available, with salaries ranging from 90K to 120K in the US. C++ is niche but elite. It's in demand for game studios, aerospace, and finance. Fewer jobs, around 500,000 globally, but top C++ engineers can earn around 130K to 220K in high-stack roles. So if you want volume, go for Java, but if you want fatter paychecks, go for C++. But where do they really shine? Java runs Amazon's card, Netflix backing, Hadoop data lake, so scale and safety are its jam. If you're looking for scalable and cross-platform system, Java is your thing. On the other hand, C++ is the king of performance. It powers Unreal Engine for games like Fortnite, Tesla's self-driving tech, and high-frequency trading at Goldman Sachs. If speed or hardware control matters, C++ rules. As a Java developer, when you want to get a job, you should have a good high-level understanding of how systems works. You need to have a good understanding of microservices and system design. But as a C++ developer, you need to have a good understanding of low-level code. You need to be really good at debugging and have a deep understanding of different algorithms. But wait a second, what is the future? Java is rock solid for cloud computing and enterprise. It's a safe bet for a stable career with endless jobs. Learn Java and you're set for life in tech's biggest industries. C++ is thriving in AI, gaming, and autonomous systems. As edge computing and real-time tech grow, C++ skills will be gold. Master it and you will land elite roles with big rewards. But guys, you need to brace for a wild ride. The key: choose the path that fuels your passion. So smash that like button if you picked a side and subscribe for more tech showdowns. See you in the next one.